Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for February 19. The Energy Ministry has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the Clinton Climate Change Initiative of the United States to push-start the implementation of several renewable energy projects locally. Jamaica is among 30 developing island states set to benefit from the initiative, tailored to help the country support themselves in the development of clean energy projects.
The Clinton Climate Initiative's Clean Energy Team will provide us with support on implementing energy efficiency and renewable energy projects free of charge with its extensive network of expertise and experience.
As Jamaica continues to battle an increase in the coffee leaf rust disease, the Ministry of Agriculture has teamed up with the industry interests to rid the country of the dreaded disease. Agriculture Minister Roger Clark says so far $8 million has been committed to the eradication effort, $5 million from the ministry and the rest from the Coffee Industry Board.
This money will be used to purchase some $4.5 million worth of fungicides and support services, and the remaining $3.5 million will be utilized for farmer training and other associated activities.
The Rural Agricultural Development Authority, RADA, has also committed $1.65 million to buy 2,500 kilograms of the copper-based fungicide Sulcox to distribute to farmers. Professionals who deal with cases of child labor are now better equipped to address the issue. The Labor and Social Security Ministry recently launched a child labor handbook for professionals. Director of the Child Labor Unit in the ministry, Marva Zimenez, says it will enhance the knowledge base of child labor in Jamaica. Children's advocate Diane Gorder Harrison has welcomed the publication, saying it's a milestone achievement in Jamaica's effort to seriously address the problem.
It really represents a compendium of best practices that emphasize the Jamaican situation and therefore allow for realistic implementation by professionals who may encounter child labor in its several forms.
The handbook was produced with funding from the African, Caribbean and Pacific Group of States Secretariat and the European Union under the Tackling Child Labor Through Education Tackle project. Government is moving to take advantage of the bulk cargo shipping industry. Industry, Investment and Commerce Minister Anthony Hilton says while Jamaica has contributed to the growth of containerized shipping, there is room to further tap into the growing bulk commodity industry.
The containerized cargo only represents 15% of global trade at the moment. Other 85% of global trade is carried in bulk commodity.
The move to bulk cargo shipping is part of government's plan to develop Jamaica as a transshipment and logistics hub. The Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Ministry has taken steps to ensure that Jamaica's high school students are fully aware of the role of the CARICOM Single Market and Economy CSME. The Portfolio Minister, Senator A.J. Nicholson, recently presented the Education Ministry with sets of books on CARICOM for distribution to all high schools across the island. The books were produced by the CARICOM Secretariat with financial assistance of the European Union. Each school will get 2 copies of a CARICOM Handbook for Schools 3rd edition and 6 copies of Competition Policy and Law in the CSME. And finally, as part of celebrations marking Jamaica Day this Friday, the Ministries of Youth and Culture and Education have launched an initiative dubbed Jamaica Sings Spirit of Jamaica. It's the Education Ministry's contribution to the country's 50th anniversary celebrations and is meant to encourage citizens to take pride in their country and preserve their rich cultural legacy. Jamaica 50 Coordinator in the ministry, Dr. Winsome Gordon, says persons from all walks of life are being urged to wear the national colors, eat local foods, and sing Jamaican songs on the day.
It is about looking into our own culture and identifying ourselves, establishing our identity, getting to know ourselves, and simultaneously opening new opportunities on trodden paths for young people.
Dr. Gordon says that as part of the day's celebrations, Jamaicans are being asked to pause whatever they are doing at 11:45 a.m. and sing Bob Marley's One Love, as well as recite the words of the National Pledge as a show of unity. Members of the business, school and church communities are also encouraged to organize their own observations. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.